You're thinking of using milk thistle? This video is for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about the benefits of milk thistle and why you should start using it. So milk thistle is a wonderful flowering herb native to the Mediterranean region, and it's also known for its many health benefits. First of all, people use milk thistle because of its liver supporting properties. It is really famous for its liver protective properties, and it contains a bioactive compound called silymarin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Silymarin helps to protect the liver cells from damage that is caused by toxins, free radicals, and inflammation. It also helps to stimulate the liver regeneration, and it supports overall liver function, makes it a very important supplement for anyone with liver conditions such as hepatitis and fatty liver disease. The second benefit is for its detoxification properties. Milk thistle supports the body's natural detoxification process by helping to enhance the liver's ability to remove toxins and metabolic waste products from the bloodstream. It also helps to assist in the breakdown and elimination of harmful substances, including alcohol, environmental pollutants, and heavy metals, and it helps to cleanse and purify the body. It is also amazing for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, and it's also important for conditions categorized by chronic inflammation. We've got arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, or skin disorders like psoriasis and eczema. Silymarin also is responsible for its antioxidant properties in milk thistle. Silymarin is the active compound found in milk thistle. It acts as a potent antioxidant. It scavenges free radicals, and it prevents oxidative damage to cells and tissue. Antioxidants help to combat oxidative stress, which is also implicated in the development of chronic diseases, aging, and various health conditions. Milk thistle is also known for its cholesterol regulation properties, and this is proven in some studies that prove that milk thistle may help to lower LDL, which is bad cholesterol levels, and increase the good cholesterol levels, leading to improvements in lipid profiles and cardiovascular health. Silymarin may inhibit cholesterol absorption in the intestines, and it also promotes its excretion from the body, contributing to the cholesterol lowering effects. You're looking to lower your blood sugar levels? Milk thistle is the solution. Primarily, research has indicated that milk thistle has beneficial effects on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, making it a wonderful ingredient to use for anyone having diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Silymarin may help to regulate glucose metabolism, reduce insulin resistance, and improve glycemic control. Looking to improve your skin health, milk thistle is used topically to promote skin health and treat skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It's also amazing as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory component. It helps to reduce inflammation, it soothes irritation, and it protects the skin from oxidative stress. Thistle is known for its liver protecting, detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It's also used as a dietary supplement in many forms. You can use it in capsules, tablets, liquid extracts, teas also, in order to support our overall health and well-being. Now, as always, it's important to consult with your healthcare professional. Please don't use it if you are pregnant, if you are nursing, if you have a specific medication that you're taking on a regular basis, because it can interact with these medicines. Make sure you consult your healthcare professional before starting. I'll see you in the next video.